Heat pump water heaters use the heat and humidity from room air to heat water stored in an insulated tank, making them much more efficient than standard electric water heaters. A fan pulls room air across an evaporator coil, transferring heat from the air into refrigerant in the coil. The heat turns the refrigerant into a vapor. A compressor compresses the vapor and pumps it through condenser coils that are wrapped around the tank. After transferring heat to the water in the tank, the refrigerant turns back into a liquid and the process repeats. Like standard electric water heaters, the heat pump has upper and lower heating elements that operate automatically when the room is too cold for the heat pump to work efficiently or when there's a larger than normal demand. Since heat pump water heaters produce condensation, a condensation drainage system is needed. In some cases, a condensation pump is used to remove condensate.